Good morning, I'm Michael G. Tertius from 2 ITA, and this is my project, a simple social networking site. So, upon loading the web application, this is the UI. So, we will sign up, of course. So, let's go. If the user did not put any data in any which of these input field, an error will pop up. So missing information. And let's put a password. So if the password is less than 8, also a warning will pop up. So it says weak password. Password must be at least 8 characters. So 8. Sign up. After creating an account, a success message will pop up. So let's try registering again. So if the email is already used by a user, a warning will pop up. It says email is already in use, please use another email. Also, this sign up form will validate if the email entered by the user is valid. So let's try sign up. So it says invalid email, please use a valid email. So since we have already signed up, let's sign in. Email, this is our email. So upon logging in, this will be the home. So these users are already registered to the social networking site. Profile, let's go to profile. Here you can change your default profile picture and cover photo. So let's change it. There. Then here, there. So these are the information. As of now, there is no data available, so let's change it. Save changes. So that's it. Our details are saved. So let's try to share some posts. Hello world. Hello world. So you can post just a plain text or text with an image or just an image. So let's try it. Post. Okay. So hello world. Now let's go to gallery. So the user can add some images to his or her gallery. So let's try these photos. So the images are sorted from the latest to oldest. So the user can also delete all the photos in her gallery, in his or her gallery. Sorry. The user can also log out his or her account. So let's try to log out. Okay, so after logging out, if the user wants to go to home.html, he or she will be redirected always into the index.html if his or her account is logged out. Let's try to log in again. If the user entered a wrong email or password, an error will pop up. So false credentials, invalid email or password. Since we are done with the UI of the web application, let's proceed to the code. We have three JavaScripts, namely post class, scripts, and user class. Also, we have four HTML pages, namely index, home, profile, and gallery.html. CSS, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the CSS, I will not discuss that because we will focus in JavaScript. Description: this user class holds the important methods that are needed to maintain the user's data. We have a constructor that is the local storage, namely user and logged in user. Here, the add user method will add the user if it passes validation. The data will be inserted into the user's array. The data will be stored into the local storage with the key of user. Login user is the method of user class will log in the existing user if the email and password entered matches the credentials that are stored in the local storage. Logout user. So this is basically just deleting the existing data of the logged in user. Get current user data. So it just basically returns the current user array. Get all user data. It will return the user's array. Edit user's data. So this method of user class will add or edit the information of the current logged in user. Edit email and password. So here the user can edit his or her email and password. Edit profile pic. This method of user class will change the current or default profile picture of the current logged in user. Edit cover photo. This method of user class will change the current or default cover photo of the current logged in user. Let's proceed to the post class. So here, the class post class extends to the user class. This method is the add post. Will add post into the user post local storage. Get recent posts. It will return all the posts array. Load image gallery. It will fetch the images from the local storage named with a key of user gallery. This code will check if the login user is equal to null. It means that if the user has been logged out, he will always be redirected to the index.html, same as with the profile and gallery. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.